What's up, gang? Back again with another dirty ass G. You see what I'm saying, my boy? Golly, it's been dirty as fuck out here in Texas, man. But what we got today? We finna do a little cold start today. Ugh. Golly, son. Bro, we had this nasty storm that came in. I gotta get this fixed. This is just getting worse. This is just getting worse by the day. Hey, I got a ticket for this the other day. Legit, got a ticket. This cop said that this is an illegal device because I tinted my back tail lights, and I was like, dog, there's no way, absolutely no way. He comes back and he says, well, yeah, it's not supposed to be there because it's pilling. I can already see it pilling. What do you mean? That don't make no sense, bro. So you saying I can't? Nah, bro. He just made that shit up. But let's get a cold start though. Let's get this shit popping. It's a nasty ass storm, boy. I need to wash your boy. Yeah. Ooh. Top tier. I don't care what nobody says, bro. NA's gotta be the best, bro. Oh yeah. Little Papa Rooskies. I love that, man. Man, I don't know if I'm gonna straight pipe. Nah, I ain't gonna straight pipe this bitch. What I really wanna do, bro, I really wanna fucking tune this bitch. Full bolt-on, tune, intakes, all that shit, man. I'm trying to skirt. My boy just got that Hellcat. Man, he got that bitch, and that shit just been turning me up, bro. Just hearing that V8, and then my homie my boy Jacob with the fucking big beefy ass M. Yeah, bro. Let me show you what it sounds like from the inside, though. When you get a good rev and it's cold. Them pops, boy. Let me know if y'all can hear those pops though, for real, cause I'm hearing it, but I don't know if y'all can really hear it through the camera like that. But yeah, nah, it's this shit A1 ski. But that's it. That's enough time for me. I ain't finna waste my gas doing this shit. Love y'all. See y'all in the next one. Bye.